I'm Haley, and today we're going to be making a double chocolate giant Mickey cookie because chocolate is the best. So, let's get started. I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of softened butter and 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar in a bowl, and we're going to mix it. I think this is very good. And now we're going to add 1 egg and I have to wash my hands. And we're going to also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is a Martha Stewart recipe. I got it from my Martha Stewart cookie cookbook, and she said to mix it with a wooden spoon. I've never made cookies with a wooden spoon, but I'm just gonna go with it because she makes pretty good cookies. I have 1 cup of flour. I'm going to mix it with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. This is my 3rd Disney bake this week, so it's very exciting. I love Disney, as you can see, my collection in the background. We have like 5 of the same cup. Our dough is done, and now it's time to move on to the chocolate. Here I have 10 ounces of chocolate. There's milk chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate because we have 2 like Easter bunny pieces of chocolate left over, and I'm going to use it in place of chocolate chips. Is this the right knife, or am I making this harder than it should be? Upgrade. Don't worry, you can trust me in the kitchen. And then I have some chocolate chips. This is about 2 cups, a little less. So I'm gonna add in all my chocolate. This is a lot of chocolate. I feel like I'm going a little crazy with the chocolate here. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Okay, this is a 6-inch pan, I think. Just going to scoop the batter into there. Dough. Batter. What?
Spatula.
Spatula. Smart. I'm going to spatula my dough into here. There's like so much chocolate in here. It is insane. Okay, so here's our Mickey face. I'm gonna butter this ramekin because it's not non-stick like our pan. Butter the other one. And these are the 2 ears. And there is our Mickey. Now we just have to bake it. I'm gonna put them all in a pan before I bake them. That way I can it's easier to like pull the ramekins in and out because they're so tiny. I'm gonna start with 10 and then I'm going to check on it. The big one is probably gonna take longer than the small ones, so better check it sooner than later. It's time. Ooh. Mickey. Smells so good. So hot though. Okay, so my cakes have been cooling. I'm gonna run a knife around the edges to make sure they're not sticking. And I'm gonna it's not coming out. Stupid ramekin. Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. I buttered it. Okay, there we go. You can't even tell. Using a sharper knife this time. I'm gonna see if this works. And crossing our fingers. Yay! It's not as round though. Like, I kind of like it when it was messed up. I think it's cute. Okay, it's a cheesecake pan, so it released. Dun, 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 dun. This one's not pretty though because you can't see the chocolate chips. And now we get to try it. Oh, got a piece. This is so exciting. Came up with this all on my own, by the way. I mean, this is Martha Stewart's Chocolate-Chocolate Chip Skillet Cookie recipe, but I put it in a smaller pan right here so that I could make 2 ears. It's like so much chocolate. Like so much chocolate. This is the best thing. If you like chocolate, you need to definitely make this. Thanks so much for baking with me. I hope you enjoyed this super chocolate Mickey cookie thing. Send a video clip to yourstirringitwrong@gmail.com of where you're from, your name, and what you want me to bake next, and I'll feature you on my channel. See you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Now I have 1 cup of flour, and I'm going to mix it with 1 teaspoon of, dang it, that's not the correct measurement. Try it. Am I on camera? Wait, there. That's a marker for where I need to do it.